Hey guys, it's Cupcake-tastic Queen today, and today I'm going to be doing an opening and another review on a Madame Alexander collectible doll, and it is Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz, so I hope you guys enjoy. So first of all, they have these cards, and they actually have a Madame Alexander doll club, which I find is super cute, and to join the Madame Alexander Doll Club you have to sign up, and it is so cute. So yeah, let's just show you Dorothy. So this is how Dorothy looks right now. She can open and close her eyes. Sorry. I find her really cute, and I will take her out of the box to show you guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is how Dorothy looks, and as you can see, she looks very, very cute. Most of the collectible Madame Alexander dolls are actually about 8 inches, which is quite tiny, but I think they're very cute. And they actually have more articulation points than the 18-inch Madame Alexander dolls. So I'll show you guys the articulation parts. So the first articulation point is this hand. As you can see, she can move her elbow. Unfortunately, on the other side, she cannot move her elbow because she does not use this hand to hold Toto, which is her dog, but this hand she does. Then obviously it is her head. She can move up and down, side to side, like the 18-inch dolls. And then her knees, they can bend back and forth, and her legs obviously can move. So that is Dorothy, and she also comes with Toto in his basket, and he can actually come out, as you can see right here. He's very soft and fluffy, and I love the quality they use to make her basket. It also comes with this ruby slippers ornament that I find absolutely wonderfully sparkly, and I think it's really cute, and it actually looks like real ruby slippers. And also, she has those sleep eyes, so if you lay her down, she can actually close her eyes. And she has that adorable face that all Madame Alexanders have. She has lined eyebrows, and she has very, very curly hair. Lots of locks of curly hair. And she has lined eyebrows again. And these are her ruby shoes, and I really like how pretty they are. I love her socks too, and she comes in this wonderful blue dress, and overall I really like her. She also comes with this ribbon on the top, which is so cute, and overall I really love Dorothy. She is one of the cutest and most fanciest dolls I've ever actually had. So overall, I really like this Dorothy collectible doll, and I really recommend you guys to get more Madame Alexander collectibles because they're just wonderfully adorable. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you soon. So bye!